Time has sort of come. This thing's twerking around like Millie fucking Cyrus. Whenever you go over any bump, it's like every corner of the car has got its own idea of what it's supposed to do. So it just sort of like shakes around like a fucking belly dance. The original plan was to take the suspension out of my black one down there and put them in this, but they've tied my black car into the road. I'm sure we can get it out, but it's like, as we say in Japanese, mendokusai. And Yoshitatsu has a set of coilovers lying around, so he said I could use those, which is fucking awesome. The S14, S15, and I'm assuming S13 probably isn't too different. Suspension's a really easy thing to swap. And the hardest thing about it is the fact that the bolts are probably going to be really seized up. The strut is held to the strut tower by these 3 bolts. And then it's attached to the rest of the suspension mechanism by these 2 bolts. And then you've got the brake line attached over here. This is of course the 3rd time I'm changing the suspension, so you know, it's just going through the motions now. Oh! This long ass motherfucker is amazing. So as you can see, the new suspension's much shorter than the stock one. So it's gonna take a bit of wiggling to get this up here. So that's basically it. Boom, new fucking coilovers. It's that fucking simple. So you know, when you get coilovers, that's what you gotta, of course you gotta get the car aligned after this, but like putting them in is really that simple. So I'm just gonna put the other side in and we'll do a quick time lapse. I'm not gonna show you all of the details again, and then we'll move around to the back, which is a little bit different. Woo! There we go. Focus, motherfucker. Every single time I work on the car, I fuck my hands up on something. Always bust a knuckle. Always. And so, it was a matter of time. Now you can see that the rear strut is much longer, much thinner as well. And that, you can see where it is up there. It's actually under the package shelf on the back there. It's got to open up the car and get into the cabin to remove it. And then it's just attached by that one bolt over there. Arigato. これで元気になるかな。さすがYoshitatsu。
緩んだじゃないか。
This is my least favorite part of the suspension job, is releasing and tightening the rear suspension, because you'd be inside the car. And you gotta be really careful, because if you fuck up and you slip and you crack the rear glass, that's a 60 to 80,000 yen fix. And being careful, as you can see, it's not really one of my strong points. So I'm not gonna film, I'm just gonna do. Basically, that's it.
ね、そこね、実はね、ボルトがついてなくても取れないぐらい。
そうなんだ。フィジックス。
なんでかって横に力が動かないから。縦だけ。フロントは違うけど。
そうそうそう、曲がれるから。
そうそうそう。
Why not start with the easiest part, the strut tower bar? And I can finally answer a question that I've always sort of wondered. Does the strut tower bar on the front of your car actually fucking do anything?